The trick is to eat it slowly. Chew it. Give your food its due attention.
Okay, so the trick is to eat slowly. धीरे धीरे खाओ. धीरे धीरे धीमे धीमे धीमे. Alright, what's going on you guys? You're watching Zillocity and I am Zaraish. Today I'm going to talk about FitTuber. Finally, so many people requested you should do a review on FitTuber's diet and everything, and I was like, okay, let's see which diet to review. And जैसे आप देख सकते हो screen पे, FitTuber has made literally so many videos on extreme fat loss, and I was so confused. मैं बनाऊँ किस पे बनाऊँ, क्योंकि Ayurvedic diet plan for extreme fat loss, full day of eating extreme fat loss to lose 10 kgs, full day of eating fat loss Indian style, fat cutter drink for extreme weight loss Indian weight loss, full day of eating Indian fat loss, weight loss Indian diet plan, top 10 Indian weight loss diets. Oh my god. Okay, मैं literally उंगलियों पे नहीं गिन सकता इतने सारे वीडियोस भैया ने बनाए हैं on fat loss. चलो ठीक है, let's actually see the content and let's see what भैया is actually saying.
In this video, I'm going to share with you a practical full day diet plan which can easily make you lose 10 kg.
Practical full day of eating diet plan which can easily make you lose 10 kgs. Wow. Let's see.
This is extreme fat loss diet. This isn't any fat diet but a well-balanced, low-calorie Indian meal plan. So sit back, enjoy and get ready to kill that extra fat.
Get ready to kill that extra fat. Yo, what a nice dialogue. भैया जी salute. बहुत प्यारा dialogue मारा आपने.
First thing in the morning, still in bed, drink one big glass of warm water. Drink it slowly. Watch your system getting activated. Warm water will kickstart your metabolism, which is extremely important for fat loss. I put boiling water in this thermosil bottle a night before so that I have warm water on my bedside in the morning.
Okay, so first thing in the morning, still in bed, you need to have some water. Well, that is a good tip, yeah. So there are so many people who are actually drinking less water throughout the day. It's not that you drinking less water will not kickstart your metabolism and it won't help you in fat loss, because there are legit people who don't drink a lot of water but still lose weight. So it's not that water will help you in fat loss. It's just downright stupid to say that water is going to help you in fat loss. Well, water is essential for the body to survive. It is essential for the body to thrive, to function at the best. So अगर आप पानी कम पी रहे हो तो it's obvious that आपकी बॉडी 100% बेस्ट पे काम नहीं करेगी. ओके, इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट टू ड्रिंक वाटर बट वार्म और कोल्ड इट डज नॉट मैटर दैट मच. आप गर्म पानी पियो या ठंडा पानी पियो, इट्स एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स योर प्रेफरेंस, आपकी मर्जी. ठंडा पीना है ठंडा पियो, गर्म पीना गर्म पियो. सो गाइस, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि गर्म पानी पीने से फैट चर्बी फटा देगा, गला देगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता गर्म से. ऐसे तो फिर ठंडा होता तो आपके अंदर चर्बी जम जाएगी और आपकी ब्लड भी जम जाएगा. ऐसा थोड़ी है, राइट? द बॉडी हैज़ अ थर्मोस्टैट, मतलब खुद ही अपना बॉडी अपना कोर टेम्परेचर अप रेगुलेट या डाउन रेगुलेट करता है एज पर द करंट, लाइक द एनवायरमेंट, द फूड दैट यू टेक. इफ इट्स कोल्ड, द बॉडी नोज हाउ टू बैलेंस द टेम्परेचर. ओके, सो डोंट ट्राई टू बी ओवर स्मार्ट एंड से दैट गर्म पानी पियो तो चर्बी जल जाएगा और मेटाबॉलिज्म पे आग लग जाएगी.
Now jump out of the bed, freshen up and get ready for a workout.
You have to jump out of the bed. अगर आपने jump नहीं किया तो भैया it's not gonna work. थोड़े jumps मारो, be athletic, come on, and that's how you will actually burn calories. You will burn calories and that's how you're gonna lose fat. Okay? Again, FitTuber भैया ने कुछ logic बोला है. देखो, FitTuber भैया जो बोलते हैं वो logic से बोलते हैं. Okay?
And I'm being sarcastic. Thanks for watching.
Spitting logic.
20 minutes of strength training at home or gym followed by 10 minutes of abs and cardio is good enough. Let your body cool down and get ready for breakfast.
Okay, right up, you don't need to do abs. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप ऐसे abs कर रहे हो, crunches कर रहे हो तो यहाँ का पूरा चर्बी चल जाएगा. फिर पैर उठा के ये घटिया सी एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो abs वाली तो आपका लोअर belly fat जल जाएगा. फिर sides करोगे तो आपका side belly fat चल जाएगा. That is stupid. Okay? So strength training is good, cardio is good. Rather than doing crunches, it's always better to do heavy lifting. Heavy lifting से दूसरा benefit ये आएगा कि आप actually अपने कोर को ज़्यादा वर्क कर रहे हो and आपका मसल गेन होगा, which will help you with increased metabolic rate. Increased metabolic rate की वजह से आपका कैलोरी बर्निंग बेटर होगा and indirectly आपका फैट लॉस भी होगा बेटर, राइट? सो बेसिकली सी, अगर आप इतना बर्न कर रहे हो और इतना खा रहे हो So it is equal. You're not gaining weight, you're not losing weight. But in case you're burning this much, a little more, and you're eating the same, you will still lose weight because of the increased energy burning. Okay, so this is how a calorie deficit works. ऐसे काम करता है calorie deficit. Okay, so आपको क्या करना है? Simply स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग पे फोकस करना है, एंड अगर आप जिम जाते हो, फोकस मोर ऑन हैवी लिफ्टिंग. दैट विल हेल्प यू विद द एक्चुअल कोर स्ट्रेंथ. ओके, एब्स करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Trust me, see this here. This is me when I was not doing any abs exercises at all, and I had good abs, or maybe I think so I did have good abs, and a lot of people might agree with me. So what I'm trying to say is, आपको ab exercises, crunches, sides करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay, आप हैवी लिफ्टिंग करो, डाइट पर फोकस करो, कैलोरी डेफिसिट में रहो, इधर या ज़्यादा बर्न करो या कम खाओ, एंड दैट इज हाउ यू विल बी इन दैट कैलोरी डेफिसिट, और आपका फैट लॉस होगा. रादर देन डूइंग दी एब्स, आप उससे अच्छा 10-15 मिनट्स का कार्डियो करो, जाके ब्रिस्क वॉकिंग करो, जॉगिंग करो, साइकिलिंग करो. दिस विल बेसिकली हेल्प यू बर्न मोर कैलोरीज. द कैलोरीज बर्निंग, यू आर बर्निंग मोर एंड ईटिंग द सेम, दैट मीन्स यू आर इन अ कैलोरी डेफिसिट, आपका फैट लॉस होगा. Okay.
It is breakfast time, and for breakfast we will have masala oats. Not the packed ones which are filled with a lot of unwanted preservatives and fillers, but the homemade ones. Let us check out this quick and simple recipe.
Chop all your favorite vegetables, put on the flame, and in a pan add a little water. Toss in the veggies, add salt to taste, and let them boil for 2 minutes. Once this is done, put the flame on low. Now add ginger, black pepper and turmeric. Mix it well. Add finely chopped capsicum and half a cup of oats. Finally add tomatoes and 70 grams of paneer for protein. Make sure not to overcook the vegetables. That's all. Garnish it with fresh coriander leaves and add lemon juice.
Okay, so this is a very easy recipe of oats. Okay, very easy, and like, trust me, I like it. Okay, the way he has actually added 70 grams of paneer for that protein, it's beautiful. Okay, it's fresh, home cooked with some paneer. Perfect. No demands, no complaints with this breakfast. Fit your bhaiya. This breakfast rocks. Thank you for this beautiful recipe. I'm sure ये बहुत लोगों को काम आएगी. Okay, because a lot of people want quick recipes, and the bhaiya is doing a good job at it. Okay.
So wasn't it easy? Oats are a superfood, especially when your goal is fat loss. They are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, high in protein and fiber.
Are oats high in protein? They are excellent source of complex carbohydrates. Agreed. They're good for fat loss. Not really. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि it's bad for fat loss. I'm not saying it's bad for fat loss. But then अगर आप इसके जगह पे राइस भी खाते हो, so it's not that rice is bad. Like, white rice is not bad for fat loss, right? Because end of the day, it's about your caloric intake. अगर आप 100 calories अगर आपको एक कप oats से आ रहा है या फिर एक कप rice से आ रहा है, it doesn't matter if you have rice or oats. It's pretty much the same because it's 100 calories of carbohydrates. Okay. So थोड़ा बहुत प्रोटीन येस ओट्स में ज़्यादा होगा, बट दे आर नॉट हाई प्रोटीन सोर्स. तो भैया ने अभी यूज़ किया 40 ग्राम्स ऑफ ओट्स, उसमें आपको हार्डली 5 ग्राम्स प्रोटीन आएगा. हार्डली 5 ग्राम्स प्रोटीन. इज इट अ हाई प्रोटीन सोर्स? ओट्स को प्रोटीन के सोर्स में कंसिडर करना बंद कर दो. ओके, डोंट कंसिडर ओट्स एंड किनोआ हाई प्रोटीन सोर्सेज जस्ट बिकॉज उसमें थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा प्रोटीन है व्हेन कंपेयर टू राइस एंड नॉर्मल व्हीट एंड नॉर्मल ग्रेन्स. ओके, दे फॉलो इन द सेम कैटेगरी ऑफ ग्रेन्स एंड मिलेट्स. ओके, राइस, किनोआ, ओट्स, muesli, everything come under the similar category. Okay, so they are carbohydrate sources, not protein sources. Okay, so I hope it is clear. It's a decent meal. I like it.
Next meal should be 4 to 5 hours after breakfast. However, if you feel hungry between breakfast and lunch, drink water. If that doesn't fill you up, you can have 1 cup of hot green tea along with apple, orange, banana, chiku or any other seasonal fruit.
Okay, either water या फिर आप 1 कप green tea ले लो, which is 0 in calories just like water, and you can have a piece of fruit. He has estimated 50 calories, but then usually a small piece of fruit is about 50 to 100 calories, sometimes even 120 calories, but it's okay. Come on, like thoda bahut idhar udhar 30, 40, 50 calories here and there, it's not that big of a difference. But if you're making the 50 calorie wrong estimations every meal, then that's, guess what, that's 200 or 250 calories extra that you're consuming without knowing, right? So it's always better to track the accurate amount of calories, and he has underestimated that. Never mind. Anyway, let's go ahead.
It's lunchtime.
I love how Bhaiya is enjoying his food. Overacting का 50 रुपए काटो इसका.
And for lunch we will have one whole wheat roti along with 1 katori of black chana and 1 katori of this delicious cucumber mint raita.
Now Bhaiya is saying ki have only one roti with 1 cup of chana, 1 katori chana and 1 small katori of raita. It's a decent meal. The chana is going to give you some protein. The raita is going to add up to the quality of protein, because obviously first class protein from animal and dairy products is always better than the second class protein from the vegetarian and vegan sources, something like chana, chickpeas, dal, etc. So these are second class protein sources. The amino acids are slightly in lesser quantities when it comes to the second class sources of protein, like the vegan sources and vegetarian sources. But if you go for animal and dairy products, उसमें आपको अमीनो एसिड्स की क्वांटिटी ऑप्टिमल क्वांटिटी में मिलती है. ओके, आई एम नॉट सेइंग वीगन सोर्सेज आर टेरेबल, बट द एफिकेसी ऑफ द सेकंड क्लास प्रोटीन इज स्लाइटली लेसर देन द फर्स्ट क्लास प्रोटीन.
The trick is to eat it slowly. Chew it. Give your food its due attention.
Okay, so the trick is to eat slowly. धीरे धीरे खाओ, ठीक है. तो आराम से खाना खाओ धीरे धीरे, एंड दैट्स हाउ योर ब्रेन विल रजिस्टर सैटाइटी थोड़ा लेट. ओके, सो आराम से खाओगे तो आपको सैटाइटी ज़्यादा महसूस होगी. वेल येस, दैट इज समवॉट ट्रू, बट I would prefer having something more, like little more food, either more raw vegetables, either some lean protein along with my meal. But guess what, it's a vegetarian plan, so I don't think that I can complain too much about it, because vegetarian protein sources थोड़े से यहाँ पे मार खा जाते हैं when it comes to the leanness of protein. Like pure protein sources आपको vegetarian में नहीं मिलते usually. So let's say paneer, it comes with fat. The chane, chickpeas, dal, rajma, all these come with a lot of carbs. There's no protein source in vegetarians which is lean protein, like let's say meat. If we take chicken, boneless chicken, it's very low in fat and it's got very low amount of carbohydrates, like almost non-existent carbohydrates and a lot of protein. That is how it is easier, and that is why it's an advantage for non-vegetarians to be on a fat loss standard diet. It's a slight edge, okay, because of the lean protein sources, but this meal is not bad altogether. I would prefer having some more calories from either curd or more vegetables or another roti. Okay, so this is an extreme fat loss diet, so not everyone can sustain this. Not everyone can actually feel good with this. Like, trust me, if I go on this diet plan, I'm gonna feel pathetic, because I work out, and when I work out I kill it. So with one roti and this small bowl of the chana and that small bowl of raita, घंटा कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला मेरे को, because I would need, my body will demand more energy because I'm burning so much of energy, and in return that's the least I could do for my body is eat a little more nutrient dense food. Okay, so भैया आप जो कह रहे हो it's decent, but थोड़ा और food might be required for some people. थोड़ा ज़्यादा एक्सट्रीम हो जाएगा थोड़े मेरे जैसे लोगों के लिए. Okay, and unnecessary भी.
This evening snack is easy to carry, highly nutritious and balanced. All you will need is 3 to 4 dried figs, 8 to 10 almonds and 1 small piece of fruit of your choice.
Okay, so around 4 dried figs, 8 to 10 almonds and 1 piece of small fruit, banana or something. Okay, now this snack might be decent for most people who don't do a lot of workout and they don't have a very active lifestyle, but again थोड़ा सा it's lacking that protein. Okay, so I would prefer having more protein. Let's estimate the amount of protein, and he has given the protein himself, right? So let's see how much has he given. So for the snack he's having 9 grams protein. I don't think he's getting the 9 grams protein. It's not even 9 grams, it's hardly about 6 grams, because let's say 8 almonds or 10 almonds, it's gonna give him hardly 4 grams of protein. Okay, and the figs are gonna give you 2 grams of protein. Banana is non-existent protein, so there's about 6 grams of protein in that meal, not 9. Okay, so don't overestimate your protein intake. I know that a lot of people do that, but let's be true to ourselves and accept that okay, it's low in protein, whatever. Okay,
it is dinner time, and for dinner we will have 1 big bowl of mixed dal along with vegetable salad. For best results, have your dinner 3 hours before going to sleep. Also in this diet, avoid roti and rice at night.
Alright, so he is basically recommending that you do not have roti or rice for dinner. That's absolutely okay, come on, it's an extreme fat loss diet, so this was expected anyway.
Mixed dal will not only give you the required carbohydrates but also all the essential amino acids.
No, bhaiya, let me stop you right there, bhaiya. No, dal is not going to give you all the essential amino acids in the right quantity. Okay, it's a known fact, come on, like कौन सी सदी में जी रहे हो आप? कम ऑन, ठीक है, इट्स टाइम टू अपग्रेड टू 2021. इट्स अ न्यू ईयर. जैसे मैंने बताया आपको फर्स्ट क्लास, सेकंड क्लास. So second class, especially when it comes to dal and chickpeas and rajma, they lack a methionine. Methionine is missing. Okay, so that's an essential amino acid which is in a very less quantity. Missing मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि गायब है, गायब नहीं हो गया, कहीं छुट्टी पे नहीं चला गया वो अमीनो एसिड अपने भाइयों को छोड़ के, भाइयों अमीनो एसिड को छोड़ के, ठीक है. It's there but it's in a lesser quantity, okay, than required. So your body needs a certain amount of essential amino acids and उसमें से थोड़ा सा भी कम आता है, so your body needs to wait till that particular amino acid is supplied through with food or nutrients or supplement whatever, and uske baad the muscle protein synthesis carries on, and then your muscle building and the hormones and the enzymes that are made from protein, etc are taken care of. So it's always better to include a bowl of curd or raita, something like that, whenever you're having dal, chickpeas, rajma and all. I always tell my clients to do this because वो कर्ड से आपको फर्स्ट क्लास प्रोटीन सोर्सेज आएंगे. दैट मिसिंग मेथियोनाइन इज गोना बी सप्लीमेंटेड विद कर्ड. ओके, जो कमी थी दाल के अमीनो एसिड्स में वो फुलफिल हो जाएगी विद द हेल्प ऑफ कर्ड रायता. ओके, सो प्लीज इंक्लूड दैट, नॉट अंडर एस्टिमेट दिस. एसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड्स आर वेरी एसेंशियल. उसका नाम ही एसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड है क्योंकि इट इज़ एसेंशियल फॉर योर बॉडी. ओके, देर आर सम टाइप्स ऑफ नॉन एसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड्स इन द बॉडी जो बॉडी खुद से सिंथेसाइज कर सकती है. जो एसेंशियल है वो आपको एनिमल एंड डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स में मिल जाते हैं इन गुड क्वांटिटी. सो इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर टू प्रायोरिटाइज द लीन प्रोटीन सोर्सेज फ्रॉम एनिमल्स एंड डेयरी. ओके, but if you are a vegetarian, then try to prioritize the dairy products like paneer and cheese and curd and milk, right? You don't get the amino acids in all the quantities. It's not a complete source of protein. Dal is not. भैया अपडेट कर लो आपको अपने आप को, ठीक है.
One serving of vegetable salad is of course very important to cut the lower belly fat.
भैया क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हो आप मेरे साथ? लिटरली मेरा हेडेक चालू हो गया, पता है. One serving of vegetables is required to cut the lower belly fat. समझदार को इशारा काफ़ी है. I'm not gonna blabber too much about it, okay?
If at all you feel hungry after this meal, you can have half glass of hot turmeric milk 1 hour before going to sleep. Turmeric milk is a well-known detox.
Okay, the video started out good with paneer and masala oats and vegetables, which was a good decent meal with good protein, and then it started declining with pseudoscience and ghatiya vahiyat baatein. And he says that turmeric milk is a great detox. What if the person is lactose intolerant? भैया क्या बोल रहे हो आप? Oh my god. And that is why I hate this word detox, because ये word ही इतना toxic हो गया है आजकल. And ऐसे लोग जिनको ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं होती है एक्चुअल साइंस के बारे में, they really use this detox word so that their idea and their video sells and goes viral and people watch it. When a person who's qualified in nutrition and is being scientific, and the person is saying that detox is crap and it's a fancy marketing gimmick, people would not like to believe that, okay? But when a random bro science kind of bhaiya comes out and says that turmeric milk piyo, usse aapka detox ho jayega, people will start believing that, and 8.8 million people believe this. You see how pathetic this diet and fitness industry is, especially in India, because people like this are actually ruining it and spreading all sorts of stupid information which people tend to believe. It's just wrong on so many levels, yeah, okay? And I'm not throwing hate on FitTuber or anybody in particular. I'm just saying that you need to update yourself or just shut the fuck up if you do not know about nutrition science. Is it that hard, you tell me, okay? अगर मैं कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट नहीं हूँ और अगर मैं जाके दूसरों को बोलूँगा कि आपके हार्ट के अंदर आपको अगर हार्ट अटैक आता है तो आपके खुद अगर आप ऐसे छाती पर 10 बार मारोगे तो आपका हार्ट अटैक चला जाएगा. आप ये स्टील की बॉटल लेके छाती पे ठोकोगे आपका डिटॉक्स हो जाएगा. ये सब मैं वाहियात बातें करूँगा. तो हाउ विल दैट साउंड टू अ प्रोफेशनल हु इज एक्चुअली इनटू cardiology, right? So like let's just appreciate the fact that there are people who are specialized in nutrition and let them take care of it, okay? So bhaiya, I appreciate your recipes. आप recipes तक रहो, it's very good. But don't try and get into the nutrition science because आपसे clearly नहीं हो रहा है वो, okay? देखो नहीं हो रहा है तो ठीक है ना, it's okay, accept कर लो. People will appreciate you for what it is, okay? So if you give out a disclaimer, at least एक disclaimer दे दो कि देखो, what I'm saying might not work for you, might work for you, might not work for you according to your medical conditions, according to your body type, because everybody is different and सबके लिए diet different होता है. तो अगर आपके लिए work कर रहा है तो very good. If not, then consult a nutritionist or a professional. This is what I actually expect from these kind of people who promote their extreme fat loss diets. Okay. That is the whole point. I really hope you understand this, okay? Please understand that it's your health that you're putting on the line. So many people keep commenting on my videos and saying that please make a diet plan for students, please make a diet plan for budget diet plan or something like that. And I'm always like, कि मैं क्या बनाऊँ diet plan में? Because everybody is different. I cannot create a diet plan video and tell you कि you need to eat like this, then only you will be healthy or then only you lose weight. Because that would be pathetic advice. So he's eating around 1100 calories with 125 grams of carbs. So that's basically kind of like a low carb diet. I actually give my clients more carbohydrates than this for fat loss, okay? And my clients do lose fat even with white rice and rotis, okay? So let's not even go there. And protein is only 53 grams. So different people have different protein requirements, and 53 grams is stupidly low, okay? Stupidly low. Don't even do this if you're working out regularly, then it's pathetic. It's not sufficient. This 53 grams of protein is not sufficient for people who are doing regular workout. Fats 30 grams, it's low, it can be higher. I usually prefer at least 50 to 60 grams of fat, and fiber 40 grams. Well, I don't think so. I think it's about 25 to 30 grams of fiber anyway.
This diet easy to implement. Follow this diet for 10 days without cheating, and I promise you will see a significant difference in your body fat percentage. However, it can easily be your diet forever.
Okay, do it for 10 days, but भैया बोल रहे हैं कि आपका diet plan, it can be your diet plan forever. This is actually what I'm truly against, okay? 1100 calories, very less protein, not many nutrient dense foods, okay? This plan, to be honest, it sucks. I would not recommend this plan to anybody, okay? 1100 calories is super low. For a full grown adult, it is too low, okay? So don't blindly follow these things. Very less protein, very less calories. You can't do it forever. This is something like a crash diet. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको fat loss करना है तो you need to do extreme low calorie diets forever. Okay, आपका metabolic adaptation होगा, आपका metabolism will lower down over time if you keep following this. Either you invest time and do lots of research about nutrition if you want to save money, or you invest money in a professional nutritionist who is smart and qualified and gives you good logical advice, not like the bhaiya. Either you invest time, save money, or you invest money, save time. It's simple. You have two decisions, no either or. बीच में मत रहो, ठीक है? ऐसे free advice में आपको ऐसी घटिया advice ही मिलेगी. And I know that a lot of people who have been seeing a lot of my videos, they will definitely understand this fact. And trust me, I really want to just bust these kind of myths, okay? And I hope this has been helping you. And I really want to continue doing this for you, okay? So this was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you really like my videos and if you found it helpful, then hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you want to hit me up for my coaching or my consultations, then this is my Instagram. You can hit me up, or you can write to my email. It's in the description box below, okay? So thank you so much again for watching the video. I will see you in the next video.